If you like learning as you go and creating without pressure, welcome. This channel isn't about perfection, it's about making things and having fun with it. Hi, I'm Ashley, and if you love creating things, trying new ideas, working on new projects, just being hands-on, being crafty, being creative, I think you're in the right place. This channel is all about creating DIYs for real life. I like to do budget projects, custom things, and kind of learning as I go. If I can do it cheap and custom, I'm down. And usually it's just me winging it and trying to figure it out as I'm going. Most of my DIYs are trial and error, and that's half the fun. A lot of times I'm figuring things out as I go. Sometimes it works out perfectly, and sometimes it takes a few tries. But that's kind of the point. The channel isn't about perfection. It's about creativity, experimenting, and learning as we go, and just having fun with it. You'll find decor DIYs, Canva projects, custom gifts, seasonal crafts, and maybe even some DIYs for your home. If you like creative projects that are realistic and affordable and fun, and maybe a little messy along the way, I feel like you're in the right place. I've had this channel for a while, but this year I'm showing up more intentionally. New videos are coming, so I hope that you come along with me. So welcome to Burst of Sunshine, where it's not about perfection, but about making things, creating things, and having fun with it. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's make something.